How Telangana's Medicine from the Sky project will use drones to deliver drugs blood. Though drones have been used for photograph mapping and other operations, the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic has widened its scope beyond limits. Telangana government's Medicine from the Sky program is all set to launch on September 11, following a regulatory nod from the Ministry of Civil Aviation MOCA to conduct operations. The launch event is scheduled in Vikarabad district, using drones as a mode of delivery to improve the medical supply chains. The project aims to assess robustness and reliability of the same using different payload sizes and in controlled temperatures from distribution centers to specific locations and back. The payloads could be medicines, vaccine, units of blood, diagnostic specimens, and other life-saving equipment. It further intends to assist policymakers and health systems to analyze the opportunities and challenges of drone delivery as well as competing delivery models and technologies. What is Medicine from the Sky? MFTS. The project is led by Emerging Technologies Wing of the State IT Department in partnership with World Economic Forum, Niti Aayog, and HealthNet Global, and aims to undertake experiments beyond visual line of sight. Drone flights for delivery of vaccines using the identified airspace of Vikarabad district. During the Wings 2020 event in Hyderabad last year, the Telangana government partnered with World Economic Forum for the MFTS program. An expression of interest was released to assess the capability of drone service providers in providing safe, accurate, and reliable pickup and delivery of healthcare items. Out of the 16 consortia between logistic firms and drone operators that has responded, 8 were shortlisted. The project is the first of its kind in India, as it is the first organized BVLOS drone trials in the country, and the same is being conducted in healthcare, as the domain said a release from Minister K.T. Ramarao's office. Ahead of the launch, 3 of the 8 selected consortia, namely Blue Dart Med Express Consortium, Sky Air Helicopter Consortium, Marut Drones, and Curious Fly Consortium Tech Eagle Innovations, have reached Vikarabad and conducted test flights of their drones via VLOS and VLOS. Following the launch of the consortia would continue to further test the endurance of their drones over longer distances and heavier payloads to establish reliability. What's the scope? Though drones have been used for photography, mapping, and other operations, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has widened its scope beyond limits. According to the plan, the consortia will demonstrate the utilization of VLOS flights in Vikarabad district with the government area hospital as the take-off site and various PHCs and sub-centers as the landing sites. The private sector and startup firms, through a collaboration with the state government, can be integrated into the government healthcare system to ensure time and life-saving efforts compared to traditional delivery system. In the case of the ongoing COVID vaccine inoculation drive, such a system can improve access to health care in rural and remote locations. According to the Helicopter Consortium, one of the few to be selected for the project, India has the potential of using up to 5 UAV or drones per district with a range of 40 km and the payload of 15 kg and endurance of 2 hours. With 718 districts in India, 3,600 drones can be deployed to distribute an effective weight of vaccines via each flight, or 15,000 kg vaccine distribution capability in a single day. How does it work? Speaking to IndianExpress.com about the Helicopter Consortium, Prem Kumar Viswanath, founder and CEO of Marut Drone Tech Private Tech Limited, said an in-house app would allow the team at the pickup point to receive a message about the required inventory from the drop-off location. For example, the primary health center places a request via an app for vaccine supply or medicine from the district hospital and pick up samples in return. The team receives the message and loads the same at the drone central hub. The drone takes off after regular pre-flight tests and checks of wind condition. Another multi-rotor wing battery-powered drone, Hepicopter 2.0 gasoline powered and has a payload capacity of 5 kg, a maximum endurance limit of 80 minutes, a range of 80 km and a flying altitude of 400 feet to 12,000 feet. This drone can hold 2 boxes and carry up to 1,000 doses of vaccines. The drones are either autonomous or manually operated based on the design. The uniqueness in our drone is that it can carry multiple temperature control boxes which can maintain different temperatures. Our drones are autonomous, can fly long distances, carry heavy payloads, and we created an app to simplify the operation, said Viswanath. On average, covering a distance of 25 km could take about 30 minutes. Other partners of the consortium are the Public Health Foundation of India, PHFI, High Rapid Lab, and Alpha Design Technologies. Challenges and further opportunities. Swapnik Jakamudi, co-founder Sky Air Mobility, told IndianExpress.com that the project is a big step for established logistics companies to partner with startups to leverage technology, speed up process, and solve problems. Sky Air is the drone delivery partner for logistics firms Blue Dart, Flipkart, Dunjo for 3 consortia. We are starting with Blue Dart for a week and a week each for the other 2 partners. The criteria and demands are different. They come with different experiences and have different sectors or as focus. Our drones can fly a distance of up to 10 km carrying up to 5 kg payload. 7 or 8 trips are possible in a day. The biggest challenge till now has been to understand the permissions and regulations, and drone delivery will be a game changer very soon due to advancement in aerial technology, favorable government policy, and positive mindset of people, said Jakamudi. The biggest outcome of this project would be to another government and private player will be able to learn from the experience, enabling the industry to move forward. While drones are being put into use for the healthcare sector, which is the need of the hour, the next big disruption will be the use of drones in e-commerce. Principal Secretary IT E&C to the Telangana government, Jayesh Ranjan, said the project is Telangana's contribution to the country to showcase a model where drones can be used in some needy areas. Already we are using drones in many areas, such as recently seed balls are being dropped from the sky for planting trees in forest areas. We use drones for the survey of mines. This is the showcase of possibilities that technology can create. Currently, the focus is on health requirements, vaccines, medicines, blood. Any remote and inaccessible areas can be reached, he said. According to Hepicopter, the current class of drones can support vaccination in remote areas by safely transporting about 5,000 doses of vaccine in one trip of a straight line distance of 20 km. With 10 trips each by a pair of drones, 50,000 doses can be delivered in a day. The team is working on doubling the payload and distance. Thank you.